This is what, a 23?
I think a 22.
22 Tacoma. We're starting by just getting some extra juice to the battery for constant voltage while we're flashing. This is Brian's truck, by the way. Hey, Brian. Let's see.
Yeah, you can plug up.
Is that a pedal commander?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, that might be something you can sell here in a little bit.
Personality-wise, that much in common. I'm Catholic.
All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna read ECU ID, unlock the VIN. All right, so 04C20, so we are shy 2 Toyota updates, so we'll go ahead and do those first.
You know, what cracks me up is the Toyota dealer always tells you you're up to date.
They always, hey, that's what I was explaining to the other guy. I'm like,
You're always up to date no matter what. They don't even look at it.
and you can ask them specifically for this TSB, and they may say, I don't know, there's nothing in the system.
It's not pulling up.
I've had some people say the dealer tried to charge them like $150 for it.
Oh,
I'm like,
really?
just bring it to me, man. We always make sure you're on the latest calibration, and then we'll load the tune on after that. So we'll do that. The good thing about the Tacomas is we don't have to do a battery disconnect after a TSB.
You have to relearn them. Like you go and you when you get bricks and your software goes in and does the reflash. But you have to go in there and basically activate the sensors kind of one at a time.
Now I'm just clicking flash. This is a 2-minute process. I'm putting you on the middle throttle setting. There's Elite, Elite Plus, and Elite Ultra, because we can go up or down. So you can take it for a spin. It's the first 3 gears that the tip-in is more dramatic. The top 3 gears are pretty much the same setting because you're just cruising. So this type of driving off a stop sign, off a traffic light, in a parking lot, just feel how that pedal is. If you want to go down one or up one, we can do that. That is it. And let me hook this back up. What's up, guys? Good morning. Disconnect those. Can you hold that, please? Close this up for you.
Your approach still out there.
And let's start this up. Make sure it runs. Oh, we're running. Going for a test ride.